Let's wrap up the week and see what's in store for the property market. And joining me, as he does every week, real estate agent Adrian Bowe, who runs a national auction business. Great to see you as always.
Thanks, Erin.
Tell me about last weekend and what's coming when it comes to auctions.
Last weekend, I was sweating on the clearance rate nationally, obviously because of that interest rate hike that we had. But glad to report we had over 72% nationwide clearance rate. I personally, anecdotally, had 100% clearance, which was fantastic. And it doesn't surprise me because the resilience and almost that impervious nature of the residential property market is very, very relevant. And CoreLogic even came out saying that $9.6 trillion is the value of residential real estate.
Wow.
Yeah, nationwide, which is hovering usually around that $9 trillion. Okay. So it outweighs all the other asset classes, whether it's superannuation, commercial property and the Australian Stock Exchange.
What about the affordability of properties? Are you seeing people go for more affordable properties off the back of last week?
Yes, definitely. So the data's telling us that growth in unit values have jumped higher than house values for 39% of suburbs across the nation over the last 3 months. So that's quite unusual, but I think it's because people are trying to enter that market. We've got people downsizing, not just in terms of accommodation, but also financially as well. And investors are coming back into the market because those rental yields and apartments are attractive for investors. Okay,
what about the most viewed property this week?
We're heading to South Australia, in Adelaide, a suburb called Stirling. This house is absolutely stunning. You're on 9 acres. It's truly Hampton-inspired, and we're looking around that $3.75 million. $1 million alone was invested in the kitchen. So kitchens sell houses, they say. So yeah, it's an incredible property, and it's one of the most prestigious suburbs in Adelaide.
Wow.
Actually. Yeah,
so tell me,
stunning.
What would $1 million get you in a kitchen? Like, is that gold plated? What is that?
It'd be almost commercial grade. Yeah. You know, you'd be certainly a chef style kitchen, and just to be 15 minutes from Adelaide CBD, what a great opportunity.
Just quickly, for Queensland, the state budget delivered this week. Anything to help ease the housing crisis there?
Unfortunately not. Like all budgets that have been handed down the last few months, this was also quite unremarkable in terms of supporting the housing crisis. More money thrown at social housing, $5 billion in this case, where really we should be looking at stamp duty concessions to help people buy, and also sellers in terms of building more property for supply.
Adrian Bowe, thank you very much for your time as always.
Pleasure.
Now